Welcome to Science with Hannah. Today we're going to do a science experiment with milk. All we need is milk and food coloring and a Q-tip and soap.
Okay, alright. So what's the first thing we do, Hannah?
We pour milk onto the plate.
Alright, that's perfect. Okay.
That's perfect.
Okay. Now what's the next thing that we do?
Put one drop of each color. It could be two if you drop two in there. Every time I accident.
Okay, so you put one drop. Okay. You try to put it in the middle as much as you can. Alright. Okay, that's okay. That's good. Okay, so now we have our milk with different drops of different food coloring in there. Okay, and go ahead and stick one end of that Q-tip just right into that, and let's just see what happens. Okay. Alright. Kind of mixes up a little bit, but not too much. Okay, alright, now lift it out. Okay, now what's the next thing that we're going to do, Hannah?
Soap.
We're going to put soap. What are we going to put the soap on? The Q-tip. Okay, I'm going to help you with that. Why don't you hold this, okay? Right there. And put a little drop. Oops, okay. Okay, got a lot on there. So this will be extra exciting. Okay, now put it right in the middle. Whoa! Look at that. What's happening, Hannah?
It's
try not to put your hand in there, okay? Don't put your hand in there. The colors are moving.
And I didn't do yellow, I don't think.
Yeah, you did. Look, you did yellow. You see the yellow coming out? Yeah. Right. Now, can you explain why the milk moved around so much and mixed the colors up so much?
Let's go to the board.
Okay. Hannah, explain to us why the milk got so swirly-twirly.
This end is the non-polar end, and this end is the polar end, and this end likes fat, and this end likes water.
That's good.
And they this end grabbed fat, and this end grabbed water.
Okay, so the soap is, when we say that it has one end that's non-polar and another that's polar, it's called bipolar.
Okay, and then this one, and then this, and then the soap made it swirl around.
Right, because the soap is trying to find the fat for its non-polar ends, and then it's swishing around with water stuck to its polar end.
And that's called H2.
Okay, and then draw your O. Good. Good. So the water, the H2O, the water molecules that are polar, because polar things like polar things, right?
Yeah, right.
Yep. Okay, so the water hangs out with at the polar end. And yeah, can you draw a little fat blob for us?
Okay.
Because that's what's in milk, right? There's a lot of things in milk, but one of them is fat.
I'm gonna put a couple in fat. Okay.
So the fat molecules are attracted to the non-polar end because it's fat polar or non-polar? Okay. Is fat polar or non-polar? Non-polar, and water is polar, and so the polar things like to go to other polar things, and the non-polar things like to go to other non-polar things, right? Okay, so then there's a lot of sloshing around because everything's trying to get to be by things that are like itself.
See?
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for the wonderful explanation.
And fat likes to be on this end because because the soap likes to grab it.
That end of the soap, yep. The non-polar end of the soap likes to grab the fat and be by the fat, yeah? Okay.
Thank you for watching Science with Hannah!
We hope you enjoyed the SwirlyMilk science project we did. Bye!
Bye!